students, welcome to my channel. So in the today's lecture we are going to discuss various network devices. Network devices. We have many network devices, but in this lecture we are going to discuss three network devices. The first one is repeater. Second one is hub, and third one is switch. So in this video we are going to discuss these three network devices one by one. Okay, so let's firstly discuss what is repeater. Why do we need to use repeaters? Okay, so let's suppose this is our one network. This is some another network, and this is third network. We have a various number of networks in the van, and I am just assuming these three networks. Okay. And these three networks are connected with each other through two routers. Okay. So what is the purpose of repeater? Let's suppose this is sender, okay, and this is receiver. Sender wants to communicate with the receiver. Okay. So in the today's world, we can communicate even between two countries. Okay. So these two devices want to communicate, and let's assume that the distance between these two devices is very large. Both the devices are at great distance. Okay. And if you look at, we have some limited capacity. Okay, after a certain period of time, your signal strength is going to be degraded. So let's suppose your sender is sending message hi to the receiver. Okay, so this message is firstly going to be converted into the digital signals. Okay, we will be converting this message into the signal. Then we are going to put this message on the channel. Okay, let's suppose the distance between these two devices is, let's suppose, 100 kilometer. The distance between these two devices is 100 kilometer. And this signal strength after a certain period of time is going to be reduced. Your signal is going to become weak after a certain period of time. So let's suppose after 1 kilometer, your signal strength is going to be reduced. Your signal is going to become weak. Then what we have to do? We have to increase the strength of the signal to make its original strength. Okay, this signal strength has become weaker after 1 kilometer. Now I have to increase the strength of the signal to make its original strength. So what I will be doing? I will be using repeaters. Okay, I will be using repeaters after 1 kilometer. Okay, after 1 kilometer distance, I would be using repeater to increase the strength of my signal. Okay, so this is actually the purpose of repeaters. After every kilometer, you are going to add some repeater which is going to increase the strength of your signal to the original strength. Okay, so let me give you one example of mic. So what is the purpose of mic? The purpose of mic is to increase your sound Okay, but repeater is actually going to increase the strength of your signal, but it will make your strength of signal to the original strength. Okay, but this mic is going to increase your volume. Okay, that is the difference between repeaters and mic. Okay, so repeaters are basically used after a certain distance to increase the strength of your signal, and this repeater is actually used at the physical layer. This repeater is used at the physical layer. Okay, so this is actually the entire purpose of using repeaters.